Charles Darwin, The Theory of Evolution, a detailed exploration of on the origins of species. The theory of evolution, as proposed by Charles Darwin in On the Origin of Species, remain one of the most groundbreaking scientific concepts in history. Darwin's work not only revolutionized biology but also challenged long-standing belief about the natural world and humanity's place within it. This essay explored Darwin's theories in depth, examining its core principles, scientific impact, and the controversies it generated. Before Darwin's, many naturalists believe in the fixity of species, meaning that all organisms were unchanging and created in their present form. However, the Enlightenment and early scientific explorations led to discoveries that suggested otherwise. Geologists such as Charles Lyell proposed that the Earth was much older than previously thought, and early biologists like Jean Baptiste Lamarck suggested mechanisms for species change, and Darwin's voyage abroad provided him with crucial evidence that would lead to his formation of natural selections. Darwin's theories of evolution, as detailed in On the Origins of Species, is based on several fundamental concepts. Variations within any given species, individuals exhibit variations in traits such as size, color, and behavior. These differences are often inherited. Overproduction: organisms produce more offspring than can survive. This leads to competitions for limited resources. Natural selection: certain traits confers advantages in survivals and reproductions. Individuals with beneficial traits are more likely to pass them on to future generations. Descended with modifications over long periods, accumulated changes can lead to the emergence of new species, all sharing common ancestor. Common ancestry: all life forms are connected through a vast evolutionary tree and tracing back to common origin. Darwin meticulously gathers evidence to support his theory, drawing from multiple fields: fossil records. The gradual change of species over time is observable in fossil and demonstrating transitions from comparative anatomy. Similarities in bone structures among different species. Homologous structures suggest a common ancestors. Embryology: early developmental stage of various species exhibit similarities, indicating shared ancestry. Geography: the distribution of species across continents suggests historical migration and adaptations. Artificial selections: Darwin's compared natural selections to selective breeding, where humans have shaped domestic species by choosing desired traits. Upon publication, On the Origins of Species ignited intense debates. While the scientific community gradually accepted evolution, religious groups and conservative scholars viewed it as a direct challenge to creationalist belief. Over time, as genetic studies such as Mendelian's inheritance and later DNA research confirmed and refined Darwin's ideas. Revolutionary biology became a cornerstone of modern science. Despite its broad acceptance, the theory of evolution still faces oppositions from some religious, ideological group, and debates continues in areas such as educational policies, ethics, and particularly regarded the teaching of evolution in school. Charles Darwin on the origin of species provided the foundations for our understanding of evolution, shaping biology, genetics, and even fields beyond the natural sciences. The theory of evolution, supported by extensive evidence, remained one of the most significant scientific discoveries in history. As research continues, Darwin's insight continue to be validated and expanded, reaffirming the transformative power of his work.